Welcome to Hoteliers Connect Jobs and Info India. The today topic we are going to see the vegetable names in three different languages: Tamil, Hindi, and English. I'm Jacob Kamal, a hotelier. I'm happy to see you all. The first part of video we have been released before that. So this is the second part. In fact, we don't want to make a lengthy video. The people doesn't want to get bored, so we made it into two parts. So you're watching the second part. So before that, we are all into the period of lockdown. If anybody wants to service or clean your kitchen exhauster, kindly contact the Braid Cleaning. After my speech, there will be a small video. Just watch them and contact them. Welcome to Hoteliers Connect Jobs and Info India. Today's topic: vegetable names in three languages, part 2. In Tamil, Murungai Kai. In English, drumsticks. In Hindi, Sajan Ki Balli. In Tamil, Senai Kilangu or Karunai Kilangu. In English, yam. In Hindi, Suran or Jimikan. In Tamil, Vendaya Kirai. In English, fenugreek leaves. In Hindi, methi. In English, French beans. In Tamil, there is no specific name. In Hindi, Faras beans. In Tamil, Inji. In English, ginger. In Hindi, Adrak. In Tamil, Vellai Poondu. In English, garlic. In Hindi, lazoon. In Tamil, Pachai Milagai. In English, green chilli. In Hindi, Hari Mirchi. In Tamil, Pachai Pattani. In English, green peas. In Hindi, Hari Matar. In Tamil, Vendaikai. In English, lady's finger or okra. In Hindi, bindi. In Tamil, elumichai. In English, lemon. In Hindi, nimbu. In Tamil, pudina ilai. In English, mint leaves. In Hindi, pudina patta. In Tamil, kalan. In English, mushroom. In Hindi, kum. In Tamil, periya vengayam. In English, onion big. In Hindi, piyaz bada. In Tamil, chinna vengayam. In English, pearl onions. In Hindi, moti onion. In Tamil, urulai kilangu. In English, potato. In Hindi, aloo. In Tamil, பூசணிக்காய். In English, pumpkin. In Hindi, kaddu.
directbeats.com.
In Tamil, mullangi. In English, radish. In Hindi, mooli. In Tamil, valaikai. In English, raw banana or plantain. In Hindi, kache keli. In Tamil, mangai. In English, raw mango. In Hindi, kacha aam. In Tamil, varamilagai. In English, red chilli. In Hindi, lal mirchi. In Tamil, vengaya tal. In English, spring onions. In Hindi, hara pyaz. In Tamil, pudalangai. In English, snake god. In Hindi, chichinga. In Tamil, pirkangai. In English, rich god. In Hindi, turai. In Tamil, sakkaravalli kilangu. In English, sweet potato. In Hindi, sakar kandi. In Tamil, manjal. In English, turmeric. In Hindi, haldi. In Tamil, puli. In English, tamarind. In Hindi, imli. In Tamil, maravalli kilangu. In English, tapioca or cassava. In Hindi, simla aloo. In Tamil, takkali. In English, tomato. In Hindi, tamatar. In Tamil, manattakkali. In English, wonderberry or black nightshade. In Hindi, makoi.